Hey everyone, it's Paolo here. So in this video, I'm going to show you a Wise tutorial for beginners, and I will show you how to open a multi-currency international bank account so you can open multiple bank accounts in different currency. So what I'll do is I will show you how to use Wise, which is the international bank account that I'm using mainly for doing business with people overseas and with different companies overseas, specifically in the US. So for those of you who are brand new to this channel, my name is Paulo Beringel, and I teach people about how to make money online with affiliate marketing and paid advertising. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So in this video, it's a slightly different video than my usual videos about how to make money online. So for this particular video tutorial, I will show you how I use Wise and how you can use Wise so you can open an international bank account legally, and you can have different bank accounts in different currencies that you prefer. So you can create a free Wise account. So all the links will be in the comment section, so you can go to this website. This is the official website of Wise, and basically when you create an account, if you use the link in the comment section, this company will know that you have been referred by me, and they will give you a free card, like a physical ATM card that you can use. Plus, they will also give you a fee-free transfer, or a free transfer valued of up to 1,000 Australian dollars, or equivalent to 1,000 US dollars. 100% for free. You can transfer as long as you use the link in the comment section that I give you. Alright, so basically what you do, it's entirely up to you. If you want to use this for personal use, you can do that. Or if you want to use this for business, you can do that as well. So initially when I started using Wise, I was using it for my personal use, and then I transitioned to business because I started using this so I can get payments from international students, from, let's say, from people overseas in the US, Canada, UK, or different countries. I can still get their payment even though I'm based in Australia. So if you want to use for personal, you can select personal. If you want to use business, then you can select business. So what you do is you put your email address here, and then you click on get your gift, so you can claim that free card, the ATM card that they will give you, plus the $1,000 fee-free transfer. So you can transfer up to $1,000, 100% for free. So you just click on here, put your email, get your gift. And then once you sign in, once you complete the process of signing up, this is what the dashboard would look like. Okay, so if you click on home, so you can see it here, that's the total balance. And then you have the options here that you can send the money, you can add money, you can create payment links. So this is if you are using this to take payments from, let's say, from your clients, which I'll probably create another video for the create payment links. This is specifically if you are using this for taking payments from clients or from different people for your business, and create an invoice batch payment if you are using Wise to pay your employees, for example, or to pay an invoice to, let's say, your supplier or manufacturer, something like that. So I'm on my business account, so that's why you can see that this is a business account basically. So what you do is once you create an account, this is the part where it says card, so you can order your physical card. They will give you a card like an ATM card, and you can use that card to withdraw the money, or you can use that card for doing shopping online or purchasing something online. And then the most important part is you go to this part where it says account details, or the main account. So when you click on main account, this is where you will be able to set up the multi-currency accounts or multi-currency bank accounts. So basically what will happen here, so you can see I have my main account here, and then in the currencies, as you can see, right now in my account, I have a US dollar account and I have an Australian dollar account. So what you can do is, if you want to open multi-currency account, let's say for example that you are outside the US, for example, you can still create a US dollar account. So let's say if you want to get paid in US dollars in your business, if you want to get paid your commissions in US dollars, if you are an affiliate marketer, if you are doing business with different affiliate accounts, what you can do is you click on add the currency. Really straightforward. This is 100% for free as well, so you don't have to pay for this. So, and then you choose a currency to add. So you can either scroll down and choose the currency. So it's all arranged based on our alphabetical order, okay? Or if you want to just do a lookup, you can type the currency, right? So you can see it here. Let's say I already have my US dollar, so it's not showing up here. So let's say US, yeah, so it's not showing up because I already have my US dollar account. But basically, if you, let's say for example, you want to add, let's say, yeah, that one, Canadian dollar, or if you want to use, let's say if I want to add a bank account, because I'm also from the Philippines, so I can do that here. So Philippine peso, and different bank accounts that you can select. So let's say Singapore, you can do that here as well. You can have a Singapore bank account, and then once you have added your bank account, you go back to your accounts, and this is where you will be able to see your different bank accounts. So right now in my account, I have the currencies in US dollars, and I have a currency in Australian dollar as well. So now what you do is, if you want to check your US dollars bank account, you select that currency. So you select this, okay? So now what will happen, this one right here, okay? So now this is the bank account, and what you do is you select this one. There's a number here, and then you click that, and then essentially what will happen is it will give you the bank account. So let's say for example, that's my name. You can see that's gonna be your name. That's the checking type. That's the account type, which is checking account. That's the routing number for wire transfer or ACH. And then that's the account number. That's the bank name and address. Okay, so basically it's based in the United States. And then that's the SWIFT or BIC. So if you want to get paid to your bank account, let's say you're doing business with an affiliate account or affiliate network or someone in the US, okay, and you want to get paid in US dollars, you basically give them these details, okay, so they can do the transfer online, or they can also do to, I believe they can go to their bank account, to their local bank, and then do a transaction and give these details, okay, and do that transaction through the bank. So that's how you do it. And then if you want to go back and let's say you want to get paid in a different currency, so in my case I have a Australian bank account as well, okay, so I click on this AUD or Australian dollar bank account, okay, so you can see it there. You click this one, all right. And it says choose which account details to view. So account AUD details, I click that one. So now it's gonna give me my bank details to receive money in Australian dollars. So in Australian dollars, in Australia, the way we do the banking, we need to have the name, and then we need to have the BSB code. So that's the BSB code, and that's the account number. So whenever, let's say I want to get paid in Australian dollars, someone from Australia, I will give them this BSB and this account number, and when they deposit the money, then it will go to my Australian bank account, which is pretty awesome. So that's exactly how you can get paid in multiple currencies using this Wise International bank account. So again, all you need to do, I will put the link in the description of the video, so you can go to this website and then you can create an account with Wise, and you can get a free card, the physical ATM card, plus you can also transfer up to $1,000 100% for free. So it's a free transfer of up to $1,000. And you can create this international bank account. So you can set up your bank account. You can set up multiple currencies in one account. You can set up all these different currencies that you want. Okay. So you just basically open a free account and then set up your multiple currency. And then if you want to send the money, you can just simply click on send right here. And then you follow the prompts. You can follow the details, You can set up, all right, the different recipients. So it's like basically sending money to someone else, like it's like sending money like Western Union, something like that. So everything will be done online. And then if you want to get paid, you can do that as well. You can create an invoice or share a payment link So it's like PayPal, right? So if you've used PayPal before, you can simply create an invoice, or you can create a payment link and then send that link or that invoice to the person or to the company, and then they can send the money through that link and you can get paid going straight to your Wise account. So if you like this video, make sure that you smash that like button and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And again, if you want to get a Wise account, if you want to open an international bank account, multi-currency bank account, I will put the link in the comment section so you can go to this website. Go to this company, it's called Wise, and you can sign up 100% for free. You can use the link in my comment section so you can get this free card that they will give you. Plus, you can transfer up to $1,000, 100% for free, as long as you use the link in the comment section that I provided. So thank you for watching, guys. Again, all the links will be in the comment section. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you again for watching. All the links will be in the comment section. I wish you all the best and God bless.